Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and get ready to move. Move your arms with control. Fold down and stay light. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lift halfway and lengthen spine. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Hold strong and stay steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Push back and stretch fast. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lift one leg with balance. Pull knee forward with control. Step forward and open hips. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Rise up and stay strong. stand powerful and steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach back and stay light. Stretch long and move smoothly. Sit low and hold steady. Balance carefully and stay focused. Lift back leg and balance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.